Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Got something here pretty cool from Tacray, the Tacray Tarcus. Let's check it out. Now this knife comes pretty well packaged. It's got a lanyard, a cleaning cloth, and the knife. Check it out. This one's got carbon fiber laminate, and it's red. I like the way that light shines off of it. Really nice. Crossbar lock. It's got a pocket clip that is not reversible, but it is deep inset, deep carry. That's pretty nice. As you can see by the screws, it's got a partial frame. It comes to about here, which helps keep the weight down. Covers are nicely chamfered. Looks to have a captive pivot. You see we got thumbhole deployment. Check out that blade. That's a really nice blade. Now what's cool about this blade? This blade is DLC coated. It's D2, flat grind. I've already tried to put a scratch on it and it would not scratch. So that's pretty cool. Comes very, very sharp. Got a super nice point. I really like that blade. 3.5 inches long. Nice smooth action. You don't even have to use thumb hole. Just pops right open. Feels good in the hand. Got a nice generous sharpening choil. Choke up a little bit on the cover there if you want to. No jimping on top. But you notice, a nice thin blade. Great little slicer. I really like this knife. It's a pretty cool knife. DLC coated D2 steel. That nice red carbon fiber laminate on G10. What do y'all think? I know you probably don't like the branding on the pocket clip, but aside from that, what do y'all think of the knife? I think it's pretty cool. Very nice, affordable knife from Tacray. I'd like to know your thoughts on this knife. If you've come this far, I appreciate you hit the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. If you would, check out the videos getting ready to pop up. See more cool knives like the Tacray Tarcus. Alright y'all, have a good day. Live life on the edge and stay sharp. Bye y'all.